This is FIMI Mini 3, and today I'll show how you can change the video recording frame rate on this device. So in the beginning, you will need to launch the FIMI Mini app and enter device or open the camera view. Here, launch settings by tapping at the gear icon you'll find to your top right. Next, select the camera settings or camera category here and look for the video size. Now enter this menu, and here, as you can see, the frame rate that you can choose directly depends on the resolution. So for example, in the 4K you are not able to set 60 frames per second. You will need to either go into 4K Ultra or 2K or Full HD. So anyway, select the preferred resolution first and then select what frame rate you would like for it to have by tapping at the preferred frames per second count. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.